everyone, it's Miss P-Shock back here again for a super fun music lesson this week. This week we're going to be learning a new chant. That's right, you heard me right. It's a chant, not a song. So a chant means that we will be using our talking voice to say the words instead of our singing voice. You may have heard this chant before. It's pretty popular. But let's just listen first. My turn first. Engine, engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train goes off the track, will I get my money back? Oh no, will you? Maybe. Well, let's try to learn it together. My turn first, and then you repeat it back to me in your talking voice. Engine, engine number 9. Engine, engine number 9. Going down Chicago line. Going down Chicago line. Let's put those two parts together. Everybody together? Here we go. Engine, engine number 9. Going down Chicago line. Very nicely done. Thank you for keeping the beat with me. Let's try the last two lines. My turn. If the train goes off the track, if the train goes off the track, will I get my money back? Will I get my money back? Let's put those two parts together, starting with if the train. Here we go. If the train goes off the track, will I get my money back? Can we put the whole thing together now? Whoa! Let's make sure we're keeping the beat with our hands. Here we go. Engine, engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train goes off the track, will I get my money back? Very nice job. Now we have another job to do with our engine engine song. I actually have the words up here for us. There they are. And we are going to figure out how many sounds are on each beat in each line. But first we have to figure out how many beats are in each line. Let's start with line 1. Right up here. Let's get our fingers up ready to count, starting with number 1. Just the first line. Here we go. Engine, engine number 9. How many beats was that? It was 4. Very good. Let's try line 2. Here we go. Going down Chicago line. Also 4. I have a secret. There's actually 4 beats in every single line. So I'm going to write that in for us. There we go. Alrighty. So, we have all of our beats up here. Let's do it one more time while we keep the beat. Here we go. Engine, engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train goes off the track, will I get my money back? Very nice. Now, we have to figure out how many sounds are on each beat. And I'll give you a hint. It's only either going to be 1 sound or 2 sounds. So if we look up here to beat 1, line 1, how many sounds does engine have? Engine. 2. So I'm going to write 2 little dots up here. What about engine? Again, you guessed it, it's 2. What about number? Number is also 2. And what about the word 9? 9 is just one sound. The sounds on each beat is actually called something. It is called the rhythm. The rhythm is how many sounds are on each beat. Let's try to clap our rhythm this time, looking at the dots on the board. Here we go. Oh, sorry, just the first line. Here we go. Engine, engine, number 9. Try it again. Ready? Here we go. Engine, engine, number 9. Very nicely done. Let's try our second line. How many sounds is going? 2. What about down sh? Down she is also 2. What about cargo? 2. And then what about line? Just 1. Wonderful. And if you remember back to our lessons before, I think we had 1 or 2 that talked about the sounds on the beats before. There are actually symbols that go along with 1 or 2 sounds on the beat. For one sound on the beat, it looks like this. And for 2 sounds, it looks like that. This right here we call a quarter note. And this right here we call eighth notes. We say eighth notes with an S on the end because there are 2 of them. Let's fill in our quarter notes and eighth notes for line 1 and 2. There we go. Have you noticed something? The rhythm for line 1 and 2 are the same. Let's see if we can clap the rhythm and say the words to line 1 and 2. Here we go. Engine, engine, number 9, going down Chicago line. Let's see if we can do line 3 and line 4 without even putting the sounds on the beat. See if you can do the rhythm just by saying the words. Line 3 and 4. Here we go. If the train goes off the track, will I get my money back? There's something about these 2 lines that is very similar in rhythm to lines 1 and 2. Let's try the whole thing to see if you can figure out what it is. From the beginning, here we go. Engine, engine, number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train goes off the track, will I get my money back? Turns out, all of the rhythms are the same on line 1, 2, 3, and 4, which means that we have 3 eighth notes, or 3 pairs of eighth notes, and a quarter note at the end on every line. So let me fill that in for us. And there we go. Let's see if we can keep the rhythm one more time, but I'm going to add an extra challenge. Let's see if we can keep the beat in our feet by stomping on the floor, but keep the rhythm in our hands. Let's try it. Here we go. Engine, engine, number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train goes off the track, will I get my money back? Very nicely done. So, when you do your assignment today, it is going to ask you just one question. going to ask you, was the rhythm the same for all 4 lines, or was the rhythm different for all 4 lines? It is your job to answer that question in the assignment. Thank you all for participating with me today. I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I will see you next time.